Hello, and today we are looking at the PPC Plastic Plane Company British Airways Boeing 757-200 in 1/200 scale. Now this is a snap fit model kit that you can put together really easily with no glue, as I will demonstrate in a moment. First off, let's have a quick look at the box it comes in. You see it's got a picture of the real plane that this model is based off, the Boeing 757-200 with the British Airways Landor livery and the same registration as well. And on the side, of course, you can see we've got British Airways, model of the plane, its scale, and the specifications of a real Boeing 757-200 with its wingspan, length, and height. Now let's open it up and get to putting this model together. So, see, we have its stand, vertical stabilizer, the fuselage, and last but not least, we have the other part of the stand. We have the horizontal stabilizer with the other part of the stand, and the wings with their jet engines. So firstly, let's take the fuselage or body of the plane. As you can see here, looking really nice and clean. And let's start with the wings. This is a snap fit kit, so these just push onto the body like so. See, we've got a little hole here. You just push it in, and there you have it. Simple as that. And we will do that with the second wing as well. And there you go. That is the two wings fully attached. Now let's move on to the tail of the plane and the stabilizers. So first off, we need to take out the horizontal stabilizer. As you can see, a bit of a bend like this, and that will just slot into here like so. Just want to make sure it's properly lined up so that the next part can go in. You know it's properly lined up if the next stabilizer, the vertical one, fits in nicely. So this fits in top. Just give it a push in. And just like that, in a couple minutes, this model is fully built. It's a really nice looking Boeing 757. So let's have a quick look at some of the details on this plane. Start with things like the wings. You can see the markings of we look really carefully, of like the flaps and the ailerons on the plane. Of course, we've got quite nice simple jet engines on them with little Rolls-Royce logos on them, on the inside and on the outside of them. Of course, you've also got the stabilizers, the rudders and elevators, which you can see a little bit higher in this light, but they are there. You can see the lines for them. And the big thing on this is the livery. Now this is a British Airways Landor livery, which is a classic British Airways livery, one that is not in use anymore. As you can see, it says British Airways, the nice deep blue running all along the bottom and on the stabilizer with a nice red streak also as well. Of course, again, that is on both sides. Again, now this is the Landor livery, which was designed by Landor Associates all the way back in the 80s. And this livery was introduced for British Airways in 1984 and was their main livery until 1997. And of course, it also has the registration of the plane, G-BPEF, written on both sides. Of course, you can also see here, got a nice little Royal Mail symbol as well. Just the nice attention to detail on this livery. Of course, we've got a nice crest on the top. If you see carefully, it says "to fly, to serve." Overall, just really nice. If we move to the underneath, you can see it does not have any landing gear, but of course it does have the display stand, which is made up of two parts here. See, it says, got the same crest from the stabilizer, and it says British Airways Boeing 757-200, of course, the model of the plane. These two parts just fit together really easily. Push them in like so. And then this just pushes into the bottom of the plane really nice and easily. Just give it a push. And you've got yourself a nice little display piece of a Boeing 757 in a classic British Airways Landor livery. Now let's go into a little bit about this plane itself. This is a Boeing 757, which is a narrow-body twin-jet airliner that began production all the way back in 1981 and entered service in 1983. It ended production though in 2004, so they are not making Boeing 757s anymore. There's a nice little piece of aviation history of a classic Boeing airliner. And this is a 757-200, which was the original variant of the 757. Now going back to its registration, as you can see here, it was G-BPEF. This plane flew with British Airways from 1993 to 2003. That was when it was flying in their service. Of course, this would be flying closer towards the 93 day, as it has the Landor Associates livery, just the Landor livery, which was used in the 90s and not the 2000s. Now going back to the size of the model, it has a wingspan of about 19.25 centimeters or 7.57 inches, and it's about 23.66 centimeters long or 9.31 inches long. So it's very nice sized model. Great display piece for anyone who's a fan of, say, Boeing airliners, classic ones such as a 757-200, or maybe a British Airways fan of a classic livery like this. Overall, it's a really great little display piece. Really, really nice, really fun and simple to build. So overall, it is a great little model, and it is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.